Just because you're gluten-free doesn't mean you have to miss out. Let's make some Greek koulourakia. Start by creaming your sugar and your butter and then adding your eggs one at a time. My family absolutely love these biscuits and we never have any left, and so I have to do some more baking tomorrow. So as you can see, all the standard ingredients are going in there, and I shall list them in the description box in a bit. Now as you can see, I'm also not measuring any flour there. The traditional way to explain this part is to say add as much flour as the liquid will take, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm working straight out of the bag, and I've quit with the mixer and I'm going in with the spoon. Now, I like to work with a bit of a firmer dough. I don't like it too soft, and that means I don't need to sort of stick it in the fridge to get it at a good temperature to work with. So we can work with this one almost immediately, I guess. So you'll know that your dough is good when you can just make a little shape and then you're good to go. You're going to make some little balls. I just like to prepare them this way ahead of time, and then I can just roll out my little ropes and then make my little shapes. Here is the classic braided type, and now coming up is the S shape, which is another favourite of mine. These honestly don't take long to make at all, so if you've got kids at home, get them involved, get them to help out, and then they too can make these beautiful Greek Easter cookies. So lovingly lavish your koulourakia with some egg wash and pop them in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius, about mid to low position in the oven there, and then there you have them, beautiful koulourakia. And if you like the video and the content, you know what to do.